powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Miwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
The elements must be down there. I can't see them.
I can see a stupid-looking monster, but it's a long way away.
Keep looking. It'll be nighttime soon, and then we'll never find them.
Okay, so it's not the most comfortable way to travel, but it's the only way we could get across the valley without being seen.
Who's not comfortable?
It's Boo! Hang on!
I'm sleeping!
Girl overboard! Abandon yak! Quick, take cover before the dust settles.
Phew, that was a close call. Yeah, I could have got dented.
I'm sorry I let go. My whole body suddenly felt weak.
Don't beat yourself up, Xiaoyan. You're only human.
Thank you for pointing that out.
Oh, Raindrop,
What? What did I say?
I think Xiaoyan feels bad sometimes that she doesn't have element powers. We just have to be more sensitive, that's all.
We've got plenty to be careful about. So I guess we could handle one more thing.
Yeah, not to mention the flying fortress could come back any minute.
It'll be dark soon. They can't follow us at night. We'll hide here till then. Hey, Xiaoyan. Look, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for, rubbing it in about you not being an element. I mean, it's not like you don't have a role in this mission. Whatever part you play is important, no matter how small.
Will you leave that twig alone? Sorry. I've just been feeling so strange lately. I need some time alone.
It's too dark outside to see anything, General Boo.
Yeah, and my eyes are so tired from looking, I could...
Don't grab your stuffed pandas just yet, my lethargic lackeys. Morning may come sooner than you think. How? With a ball of chaos! When I fire this at the moon, that pathetic satellite will burst into flame and shine with the brightness of the sun.
No more nighttime. Cool! We could search for the elements non-stop.
You catch on fast, Flamo. Grab! Put this in the lunar slingshot. And by the time I've finished, I will control the moon, as well as the land of 1,000 legends.
But I thought the moon goddess controlled the moon.
Not for much longer. Grub, stop playing with it and put it in the slingshot. Flamo, ignite the ball of chaos. Wakey, wakey, everyone!
Let's get going. It's safe to travel now.
Can't we just stay here for the night? It's so beautiful. And I feel so safe here.
No, we need the darkness to put some distance between us and Boo. It won't be nighttime forever. The moon's on fire!
Quick, hide!
That sounds like someone in trouble.
It worked. I can see them as plain as day. And wait, there's someone else, a stranger.
Let me see.
Then my plan has worked. That stranger is the woman who is about to become my bride.
She's still alive.
Wow, that was heavy.
Are you okay? What happened?
I was like meditating in my favorite moon crater when this ball of chaos came like flying in. Next thing, I was making like a meteorite.
The moon! Then you must be Chang'e, the moon goddess.
Look at my home, it's burning up. Oh, too many bad vibes. I need to calm down. Moon.
That ball of chaos has set the whole moon on fire.
This has got General Boo written all over it.
No way, no mere mortal could do this.
We're trying to be sensitive about the whole mortal issue around certain people.
Oh, stop it, Jinho.
Hey, chill out. I just meant that the last mortal who was able to, target a celestial body was Archer Yi.
Archer Yi, who's shot down the 9 suns? 9 magic arrows in 9 seconds. Pew, 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 pew. No one's ever beaten his record. If only he was around, he could put out the moon.
Well, he lives in those woods there.
That's a coincidence.
Not really. This valley is where the wood for his magic arrows grows.
Then let's get him to put out General Boo's nightlight.
Wait! Where's Shao 2?
Zhao who?
My rabbit! He was with me. He must have, freaked out and split. Hey, Shao 2! Here, bunny, wunny, wunny! Hey, Shao 2!
You and Xiaoyan go find the archer. Jinho and I will help look for the bunny wunny wunny.
Okay, but don't forget, the Flying Fortress could come back at any minute. Keep one eye on the sky at all times.
Hey, Shao 2! Here, bunny, wunny, wunny!
This trap should be big enough for the elements and the moon girl, eh, Grub?
Oh, is it time for breakfast?
Stop dozing off!
But I'm so tired. And now it's daylight all the time. I'll never get any sleep.
Once we catch those elements in the moon goddess, I'll tuck you in myself.
Wow, Archer Yi must practice 24 hours a day on everything.
Good. He's the only chance we've got. Hello? Archer Yi?
Who are you? What do you want at this time of night?
Sir, we need your help.
Yeah, as you can see, the moon...
What about the moon? Ah! Sorry, I didn't have my glasses on. Now, what were you saying, young man?
Xiaoyan, I think we have a problem.
Xiao 2!
Zhao
He's around here somewhere. I can sense a strong aura.
Sorry, that yak smell hasn't worn off.
Maybe we should just think about where a rabbit might hide.
Sure, any ideas?
Shao 2 prefers places with friendly vibes, good karma, and carrots.
Maybe he ran into the forest.
Shao 2!
Shao 2!
Here, bunny, wunny, wunny!
Shao 2!
Oh, I'll be right with you as soon as I get my foot out of this hole. Stop that!
What is it?
This hole is all fluffy. It tickles.
Oh, my Shao 2! We found you!
And we found you!
We? Only one of you is awake.
What? Not again! Wake up! General Boo has some big plans for you, lady.
What's that word Raindrop says? Oh, yeah. Dragon Tidal!
That's right. Dragon Tidal. Don't worry, Chang'e. We'll protect you.
Sure, you and the bunny.
I'd like to get my hands on the villain who would hurt the moon goddess. Of course, I'll shoot out the fire for you.
But Archer Yi, are you sure you are still able to?
Don't forget, I shot out 9 suns in 9 seconds.
Archer Yi, I think it goes this way round.
I knew that. just testing. Now, keep your eye on the center of the target.
That target?
Anytime you're ready.
You have to let your chi flow through the bowstring. I've still got it.
Archer Yi, I'm afraid to say you don't.
What? But I practice for hours every day.
And you've hit everything but the target.
Oh, so that's not a porcupine I've been milking. It must have been staring at those 9 suns that did it.
Archer Yi, you're still a legend. You could teach me how to shoot the moon. With your skill and my eyes, we can't fail.
What have we got to lose?
Bit tougher than I thought. I'm fine.
Hey, can't we all sit down and have some jasmine tea and talk about this?
I'll have my fireballs do the talking!
Huh? Who was that? Oh, hey!
Is that the best you can do?
Hey, uncool, man.
Of course I'm uncool. I'm the fire element.
Well, meet the fur element. Sikkim Shao 2. Hey, come back with my bunny!
Huh?
I said give it back!
Well done, Grub. You led them right into our trap.
Yeah, trap, of course. Get this demon rabbit off my tail!
At least it'll keep you awake.
Now, remember what I told you. Concentrate on the bowstring.
Let your chi flow.
Now, release the arrow.
Don't worry, we've got plenty of arrows. Although we might be running out of chickens.
What do you mean Raindrop wasn't there?
Get this bunny as a bonus.
I don't care. Go back and find Raindrop. So, 2 elements. And thanks to you, Cheng'e, I'll have the others in no time. With your help, I'll soon have control over the moon forever!
Woohoo! You did it!
Well done, my boy. Oh, you need a bath.
I couldn't have done it without you, Archer Yi. Time to put out the fire.
This time, you have to focus very hard. The magic moon blossom arrow needs a lot of energy.
The magic moon thing a whaty?
Oh, you know. Only an arrow made from the moon blossom tree can fly all the way to the moon and extinguish that blaze.
So where is it?
I don't have one. They are offered up by the moon blossom tree when needed.
So where is the moon blossom tree?
It must be the tree we sheltered under. Its blossoms look like moonlight. Chang'e said the magic tree was in the valley.
That's it. The tree the moon goddess planted as a goodbye present to the valley before she took her place in the sky.
Good thinking, Xiaoyan. Let's go get it.
I'll show you the way.
We know the way. Thanks for everything.
Good luck.
Before I set the moon alight, there never used to be enough hours in the day to get all those bothersome chores done, like pillaging and terrorizing.
This is like such bad karma, man.
Don't worry, my little moonbeam. I'll restore the moon as soon as I have all the elements. Oh, then we're married.
What?
Well, the wedding's in less than an hour. Don't be late.
I can't marry him.
Yeah, he's mean and nasty and He probably wouldn't lift a finger around the house.
No, if we get married, he'll, like, control the moon. Forever.
Huh?
Where are the others? That must be some well-hidden bunny.
We'll have to start without them. Look for branches that are shaped like arrows.
This one's perfect.
Don't do that!
Huh? Ow! Why not?
No one listens. Archer Yi says the tree has to offer the branch for the arrow.
And how do we get it to do that?
I don't know.
Ow! What happened then?
The tree must have heard us.
As if the stupid tree could hear. Ow! Ow! That's it!
Perhaps we should be saying thank you now. Thank you, Moon Blossom Tree, for your gift. 3 arrows. I hope that's enough.
I only need 1! What the? Flame-o!
So, Grub, how would you like a cup of tea? Because I'm gonna boil some water.
You fire the arrow. I will hold them off.
It's okay. Still 2 arrows left. Must concentrate. Whoa! Oh no!
Hurry, Raindrop!
That fight's too close for comfort.
Try shooting this!
No, not the tree!
What? Does the big drip have a problem?
You're my problem, you bluff holes!
You've run out of arrows, and you're holding it the wrong way around.
Who says?
Raindrop, use your water on the tree!
Aha! I've got you this time, you big drip.
Miss me!
It wasn't meant for you.
Oh no! The fire's drying up all the moisture in the air!
Look out, Raindrop!
Let go of me, you overgrown roofing tiles!
Right, Grub, let's go! Forget about her! The General only wants elements! She's nobody, a zero!
I get it! Raindrop!
I'll be fine. You worry about the tree.
What a day. 3 elements and a moon goddess. Now I just have to find the wood element and I'll have the complete set.
We're the ones who are gonna be set when we find him first. And you'll be sorry.
Cheer up, my bride. You don't want to be frowning in the wedding pictures.
Wedding pictures? He's completely flipped.
No, you heard right. He's going to marry Chang'e so he gets control over the moon.
Oh no, that'll be a disaster.
Yeah, like how weird does Mrs. General Boo sound?
There has to be something I can do. But what? There are no more arrows and there's nothing left of you. If only Master Yun were here, what would he say? How can such a small sapling grow into a mighty tree?
The power to grow lies inside from the moment it is born, just like the power to grow lies in you, waiting to blossom.
Blossom! All that's left of the tree. Does it still have the magic? But I need an arrow. Fly true to the ball of chaos.
I need to go to the toilet.
Sorry, but it's the only way I can think of getting us out of here.
So how long exactly does a lock take to rust?
Drink. Then we shall be husband and wife.
No way, man.
I said drink. and give me the power of the moon forever.
Never!
You will drink, or the wedding feast will be stir-fried rabbit.
No! Not Shao too!
So drink.
You are one mean man!
Okay then. Let's get married.
It's so romantic.
Yes. What's happening? What are you doing? Ah! My moon! Who dares put out my moon?
Your moon?
Chinga, where is she?
Chang'e, what happened?
I've got my powers back! Someone extinguished the ball of chaos and restored my moon. It wasn't you?
Maybe Xiaoyan had something to do with it.
But how? The moon blossom tree was on fire and she didn't have an arrow.
Then let's find out. Climb on!
Get Fire up the fortress! We're going after them!
But it was gone. Toast.
I told you! The moon blossom tree is magic. It's full of the life force.
But where's Xiaoyan?
Back where she started.
What's with the weird tan? How come she looks like...
Wood.
Now I remember where I've seen her before. She was born in my tree.
You mean she's... Why didn't Master Yun tell me?
Ow! What's happened? Where am I?
You're fine, Xiaoyan. In fact, you're more than fine.
Easy for you to say. You didn't just fall out of a tree. But it was all burnt. And what has happened to my skin?
You look like a piece of furniture.
Don't you get it?
Huh?
You were born in that tree. It gave up its branches for you.
What? How?
You're the wood element!
I am?
Yeah, you're not some useless mortal anymore. Ow! What?
The flying fortress!
Awesome!
I'd better split. Thanks, elements. Stay cool.
See you around!
Elements. I like the sound of that.
What are we going to do about General Boo?
Where's the yak herd when you need one?
If I'm the wood element, maybe I can do something.
The moon goddess is gone. Those wretched elements will pay for this. There's no escaping now. I've got you. What's going on? Why aren't we moving?
It'll be hours before they get unstuck.
Just enough time to get a head start on where the Dragon's Eye wants us to go.
Impressive powers, Xiaoyan.
What can I say? I guess I was born with it.
Come on, we've got a golden dragon to restore.
Get off me, crap! Get off!